सो हेलो वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द न्यू नॉर्मल शो। अगर मुझे ऐसे कंटेंट मिलता रहेगा मे बी 1 या 2 मिनट के, देन आई विल बी मीटिंग यू गाइज एवरी डे. Okay, so I was going through this Best Life website, so I came across this website because I was following the Lew Later clips. So there he definitely refers some of the best websites. So I also thought that why should not I go there and explore something. Below that article, there were a few more suggestions that led me to this article that you're watching on screen right now. So meet the 6 dogs being trained to sniff out coronavirus. So Shad, we all know that dogs are humans' best friend. But apart from that, as I can see here, there are certain studies and research are going on after the coronavirus pandemic. They are trying to get more ways to test people, more ways to find out who is infected and who is not. And then we come across this news, and this is quite ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग व्हाट आई मस्ट से, बिकॉज लाइक जैसे एयरपोर्ट हो गया और रेलवे स्टेशन हो गए, उसके बाद बस स्टॉप्स हो गए, देयर डॉग कैन स्निफ आउट बॉम्ब्स, RDX और ऐसे ड्रग्स के स्निफिंग आउट के लिए उनको यूज़ किया जाता है. तो उसी तरह दे आर प्लानिंग दैट इफ दे कैन ट्रेन देम टू स्निफ आउट कोविड. So that is really a breakthrough. So as they're mentioning here, respiratory diseases are known to change body odor, and in the past, canine companions means dog, so have been able to detect malaria, cancer, diabetes, Parkinson's disease before symptoms appeared. This is all thanks to a dog's powerful nose, which contain more than 300 million scent receptors. 300 million is 1 million is 10 lakh and 3 अच्छा ठीक है, मतलब counting 300 million. Scientists are hoping that these adorable pups will be able to apply same sensory skills to the coronavirus. If this happens with much more accuracy, or even like swabs डालने की जरूरत भी ना पड़े, नाक में घुसड़ के जो एकदम दिमाग के अंदर तक डाल देते हैं वो लोग. ऐसा सुना है मैंने फीडबैक लोगों का जिनके टेस्ट हुए हैं. सो इफ दे कैन स्निफ आउट तो इट विल बी क्वाइट गुड कि इन्फेक्शन फैलने से पहले ही दे कैन डिटेक्ट एंड उन लोगों को क्वारंटीन कर दिया जाएगा. सो इनको मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज इनको एयरपोर्ट पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मतलब देयर डिफरेंट प्लेसेज वेयर दिस कैन be deployed, but this is good. So it will take 6 to 8 weeks to train the team using sterilized face masks and nylon sock in a process called odor imprinting. If the experiment is successful, the hound will be deployed at the airport entry points around UK. In the next 6 months, each dog would be able to screen up to 250 people per hour. And this is the rate at which they will be able to do it, as they are projecting it to be. That is quite good. मतलब 1 घंटे में अगर वो 250 लोगों को स्क्रीन कर सकते हैं. And this experiment is going on in UK, so I'm not sure whether it's similar kind of research are going on in India or not. But if they are doing it, so and it's not started in India, then I think we should also start doing it.